how to make Claude AI create an app. Now in order to make Claude AI create an app, just simply open the chat section with Claude and then tell it to create simple app and a complicated one if you want it, and then give your prompts explaining what kind of app that you would like Claude to make. I have written a prompt saying like Google Sheet to keep my work data but make it look different than Google Sheet. Now it does not have all of the answers or the prompts that is required to create an application. That's why Claude is asking me another two questions. You can also expect questions regarding your application if your prompt is not clear, so make sure that your prompt is very clear on what kind of application that you need, and after that it will create an application and a file. Just simply open that file in order to see what kind of application that Claude had created for you. And like this, you can very easily create an application in Claude and customize it by editing the prompts and entering new data and prompt. And this is how you can create an app in Claude very easily. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.